Alright, I have it all set up. If I'm a little bit tilted, I apologize. I just stacked boxes on top of each other. I will be getting like an actual tripod soon, I hope. I am also using the phone's mic for this as well, so if I sound far away, I just wanted to test out the video. But yeah, so we are here today because NIVEA also sent me something. So this is just an appreciation of all the PR work that we do for them. So it does have this little note over here that I have not read yet. I swear to God, I have not read this yet. So here we go. Dear Nikki, we rely on products that address our specific skincare needs, but most of the time, the body lotion we use does not provide enough care to calm and soothe our irritated, very dry, and tight skin. Are they saying I have dry skin? We deserve to have well cared for skin that's free from irritation and severe dryness. The new NIVEA Derma Repair and Care Body Lotion provides Filipinos with sensitive skin the care we need. It contains Dexpanthenol that helps instantly soothe and calm your skin after just one application, and provides 72 hours relief from very dry, tight skin. Make your sensitive skin feel how the Derma cares. Make sensitive skin feel how the Derma cares. Get the special care you need with the new #NIVEA Derma Repair and Care Body Lotion for only 524 pesos for 250 ml and 839 pesos for 400 ml. You can get it online via Shopee or Lazada and your nearest Watson's drugstore. Love, your NIVEA family. That's actually kind of sweet. Feels like, you know, a backhanded compliment, but yeah. So if you guys want a little sneak peek of that, you can also see that as well. Okay. And within here was actually 4 bottles of NIVEA Derma Repair and Care, but my brother got to one of them before I actually could do a video on them. But that's alright, that's fine. So yeah, that is a test video of the Realme 9 Pro Plus Free Fire Edition. So what do you guys think? Let's take some photos? I think so as well. Let's go do that.